film, do you think?
Alright, so we have the TRX6, but when we raise wait. So when we raise it, it's here. But put it on the ground, and now see. Like up here.
Sort of steers. Something is wrong.
Well, even the other side won't steer. It won't go back.
Yeah, you shouldn't be able to just turn the wheels like that. So we have to try to fix it. Okay.
Well, I want some more veggie straws. I like those.
And then,
No, veggie straws.
alright, so I'm going to take the battery back out. Now we're going to see what we can do. You're snacking.
What? While I'm
For
snacking?
your viewers, yep. Alright.
And then we'll know if it's servo.
I think that's what it is. Yep. That servo horn, the ridges in there are stripped all the way out. I don't know if you can see without light, but
Well, how did that
plastic.
turn just hit?
Well, it jarred and went.
And that also means the servo's still broken.
Well, the servo might be broken.
But maybe once you fix the horn, maybe
The servo
we
won't
can
be
check.
broken. So we've got this ProTek servo horn.
These veggie straws are really good.
And
It was my idea to take these out.
Or do you want to go ahead and just replace the servo and have it all super fancy to start with? We do have a spare servo too that we could put in. What do you think?
We have two. You're also getting the background of the Mustang, the Ford,
You're not
the
really
Ranger.
on this.
Wait, what? When was it made? When was that made?
1977, but it's a
Nin-
78 model.
It's a 1977-78 model dent side Ford F-100 Ranger,
Yep.
and a Ford car that was made in 2016. And we've got a truck outside that the garage.
What was that?
That the garage is.
Okay, look.
It's
Ta-da! You want to inspect the servo? Do it on the camera. Nobody can see you.
It's a dark blue.
Okay, now we are recording. Well, we don't have anything hooked up, but
Well, let's see if
we
it
are.
can drive.
Yeah, see if it can drive. Yep. What about reverse? When the lights are on, you know what that means?
We're good to run.
That we installed the battery circuit eliminator correctly. That's what I was worried about, is we were adding this higher voltage battery thing, and that was adding a lot of extra to our setup.
Is this thing
And I
plastic?
didn't know how that was going to do. Is what thing plastic?
This thing?
That one is,
It's metal?
yes. And that one's metal. We're going to do the metal servo horn.
Oh, it slides off the magnet thing.
It's aluminum. It's not magnetic. Aluminum.
You're not. Unless they're like this. Oh, they can't. If they're upside down, they won't. There's screws on this. Screws.
Donnie.
And it won't fall. Oh, they can wiggle.
Okay, I had this plastic cover.
1 hour later.
So what do you think of how difficult this whole process has been?
Huh?
What do you think about how difficult this whole process has been?
Like 5 hours difficult?
Yeah. We'll
The
go
5 hours
test.
difficult means times 50.
So
So that means
difficulty
55
of
hours.
50.
So that means it's gonna be 60. It's gonna be 60 hours. That's over like 5 days. Well, not over 5 days. It's over. Oh no, it's over 2. It's over 2. We had to use 5,000
ProTek.
more parts.
Traxxas BEC. Replacing ProTek Servo horn.
Wait, we could have gotten away with that?
Well, it still wouldn't have been as cool.
Okay, the steering works.
That's powerful, isn't it?
The steering is supposed to be super powerful, even though last
That
time.
sounds super powerful. Tell everybody what you think.
Pretty good.
Do you think it has more steering than the old servo?
Yeah.
I think it's pulling left a little bit. That's really straight there. Okay, let's put it. We need to put it up. We did great. That means we can make more videos.
Yep. You made it. Okay. So this has been the All Adventures, and the truck just made it all the way over to here.
It was
Which is
all because of
Me.
this was broken. That's what was broken. All right, bye everybody.
We have a crawler crawling the crawler. Wait.